Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you all in the mathematics class. Students, today we are going to start a new topic, estimate the difference. Students, before starting this topic, first we will go through round off to nearest 10. Rounding off numbers is one way to estimate. When we do not need an exact answer, we can estimate. We round off the numbers for easier calculation. You have to remember few rules to round off the numbers. Rule number 1. If the number is less than 5, then round down. Understand? If the number is less than 5, then we have to round down. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are smaller than 5. So, we will round down these numbers nearest 10. That is the smaller 10. Understand? Because the number 1, 2, 3, 4 are considered as weak numbers because they round down to the nearest 10. Understand? Let me explain it with the help of the example. In this example, we will round off 32 to the nearest 10. For this, we have to consider the ones place. Here at ones place, 2 is there. So, we will compare 2 with 5. Now we can see that 2 is smaller than 5. So, if the number is smaller than 5, we have to round it down to nearest 10. We will understand this with the help of a number line. Now we can see that 30 and 40 are the two tens. 30 is the smaller 10 and 40 is the larger 10. Now we will see here 32. 32 is closer to 30 than 40. So now you can see, so we will round off it to 30. Understand? Here the midpoint is 35 and 32 lies between 30 and 35. So the number which are smaller than 35 will round down to 30 and the numbers which are greater than 35 or equal to 35 round up to 40. So here on the number line we will round down 32 to 30. Understand, students? Now I am taking one more example. Here we have to round off 34. Again, students, we have to see the number at ones place. Here the digit at ones place is 4. We will compare 4 with 5 and we come to know that 5 is greater than 4. Now we will see it on the number line. Here 34 lies between 30 and 35. Now we can see that 34 is closer to 30 than 40. So we will round it down to 30. Understand, students? Now the concept is clear. Rule number 2. If the number is greater than or equal to 5, then round up to nearest 10. For example, 6, 7, 8, 9 are greater than 5. So they will be round up to nearest 10. Or we can say that 6, 7, 8, 9 are strong numbers. So they will be rounded up. So students, understand, strong number always round up. Here we can see number 5 is always rounded up to the higher 10. For example, 35 will be rounded up to 40. Understand? Number 5 is always rounded up. Now students, we will take 37 as an example. Now we will round off it to nearest 10. Here 7 is at ones place. So we will compare 7 with 5. And we come to know that 7 is greater than 5. So here 37 will be rounded up to 40. Again, I will explain it with the help of number line. Here, 37 lies between 35 and 40, and it is closer to 40 than 30. So, we will round it off to 40. Understand? We will round it up to 40. In this example, we have to round off 39 to the nearest 10. Here we can see that 9 is at ones place. So we will compare 9 with 5. We come to know that 9 is greater than 5. So it will be rounded up. Now students, we will understand it with the help of a number line. Now on this number line, 39 lies close to 40, so it will be rounded up to 40. Now students, we will start our topic estimate the difference. Here we have to round off each number to the nearest 10 and then estimate the difference. In this example, we have to round off 86 and 78 and then we have to find their difference. So let's start. Here first we will round off 86. We will see the digit at ones place. At ones place we have 6. As we all know that 6 is greater than 5. So 86 will be rounded off to 90. Now we will round off 78. The digit at ones place is 8 and 8 is greater than 5. So 78 will be rounded up to 80. Now students, we have to subtract these numbers. We have to subtract 80 from 90. So 0 minus 0 0 minus 8 1. So here the estimated difference is 10. Understand students? Students, let's take one more example. Here we have to estimate the difference between 43 and 19. First we will estimate the numbers. Here first we will take number 43. When we see at ones place, the digit here is 3. 3 is smaller than 5. So 43 will be rounded down to 40. And then we will take the number 19. Here the digit at ones place is 9, which is greater than 5. So 19 will be rounded up to 20. Now students, we will estimate the difference between 40 and 20. 0 minus 0, 0 and 4 minus 2, 2. So here the estimated difference is 20. Thank you students for watching this video. Now it is your turn to do practice.